Something is very interesting is happening in the Tesla community right now. Over the past few days, images and concept renders of a full-size Tesla SUV based on the Cybertruck architecture have been spreading quickly online. Some look like stretched Cybertruck with 3 rows of seats. Others imagine a large electric SUV or even a wagon built on the same basic architecture. And the timing is raising eyebrows and attention. Tesla is preparing for its Cybercab launch event on September 3 in Austin, and officially this event is expected to be all about autonomy. The Cybercab is Tesla's 2-seat robotaxi designed without a traditional steering wheel or pedals, and Tesla wants to use it as part of a future ride-hailing network. So why are Tesla fans suddenly talking about a huge Cybertruck SUV? Well, because Tesla now has a very obvious hole in its lineup. And as I said in the title of this video, Tesla is missing a large SUV. Let's talk about that. For more than a decade, Tesla had the Model S and Model X sitting at the top of its vehicle range, right? The Model S was the big luxury sedan. The Model X was Tesla's large luxury SUV with 3 rows and those famous Falcon wing doors. But that changed this year. Tesla, if you remember, ended Model S and Model X production at Fremont factory in May, with the company redirecting factory capacity toward Optimus robot production. That means for the first time in a very long time, Tesla no longer has a traditional full-size luxury SUV in production. There is a hole in Tesla's lineup. Think about that for a second. Tesla sells the Model 3 and Model Y. The Model Y has now grown into a large 6-seat version of families needing more space. Then there is the Cybertruck. But if you are a customer who wants something bigger than a Model Y, a true large Tesla SUV with 3 rows, which these days are now popular, lots of cargo space and a more premium feel, Tesla doesn't currently have a direct answer. Tesla doesn't really directly offer that these days. And that's exactly why these Cybertruck SUV renders are connecting with so many people, especially on the reports that Cybertruck is not selling that well. The Cybertruck already gives Tesla a starting point that could make sense to build those SUVs. It has a large body, it has unique stainless steel design, it has rear wheel steering, and underneath it is a modern electric vehicle architecture that at least in theory could support other body styles. Imagine Tesla taking that basic platform and creating what we might call a cyber SUV. It could have 3 rows, it could seat 6 or 7 people, it could have a large front trunk and a huge rear cargo area, a real cyber SUV from Tesla. And unlike the Model X, it wouldn't necessarily need complicated Falcon wing doors or an ultra-low roofline, right? Tesla could simply build a big, practical, futuristic SUV. Now, I'm not saying Tesla is doing this. I'm saying that a lot of people are interested in these things and the interest grows. At this point, these images circulating online are concept renders. You can find them a lot on X, former Twitter, and fan ideas, not confirmed Tesla products. That's an important distinction, friends, but the enthusiasm tells us something real. There appears to be genuine interest in a large Tesla SUV, and Elon Musk himself has added a little fuel to this conversation over the years. When discussing the idea of larger Tesla vehicles, Musk has previously hinted at something that could be, in his words, way cooler than a minivan. Do you remember that tweet? He tweeted something, I don't remember how long ago it was. It said it was coming something way cooler than a minivan, and didn't fully explain what he meant. And that's the kind of statement Tesla fans can spend years decoding. Was he talking about a future van, a people mover, a large autonomous vehicle? What was Elon Musk talking about then? Or perhaps something that uses the Cybertruck's architecture in a completely different way? Nobody outside Tesla really knows the answer. But here's why I think this story matters. Tesla has spent years simplifying its vehicle lineup. The company has focused heavily on the Model 3 and Model Y because those are high volume products. More recently, Tesla has also put enormous attention on autonomy, AI, robotics, and Optimus. The Cybercab event on September 3 in Austin fits perfectly into that strategy. Tesla wants investors and customers to see the company as much more than an electric car manufacturer. The Cybercab is supposed to represent the next phase of Tesla, and I will not be surprised if Tesla makes a big announcement at that event on September 3 in Austin. But at the same time, Tesla is losing something very tangible: product variety at the top of its vehicle lineup. Without the Model X, Tesla has left behind a customer who wants a large premium SUV. Those large premium SUVs sell pretty well, right? The Cybertruck doesn't completely fill that role. Yes, it is big. Cybertruck is big. Yes, it has a lot of interior space, but it's still a pickup truck. Some families simply don't want to open cargo bed. They want an enclosed rear area. They want 3 rows. They want luggage space protected from the weather. That's where a Tesla Cybertruck-based SUV could make a lot of sense. In fact, it might be one of the most logical extensions of the Cybertruck program. The big question, of course, is whether Tesla wants to do it or not. And this is where we need to be realistic about September 3. Friends, I would not expect Tesla to suddenly roll out a production-ready Cyber SUV at the Cybercab event. But remember these words. Everything we're hearing and seeing about the event points toward a focused autonomy presentation. Tesla has a lot of riding on the Cybercab, and the company will likely want the robotaxi to be the center of attention. Tesla has not announced a second vehicle reveal. I want to make it clear. Tesla has not announced a huge cyber SUV. It has not teased a Cybertruck SUV. And renders of Cybercab SUV circulating on social media should not be confused with an actual Tesla teaser. Still, Tesla is known for surprises. And even a small hint, a silhouette, a concept, or a comment from Elon Musk could send speculations into overdrive. My take is this: the Cybertruck SUV idea makes more sense today than it did a year ago. Why? Because the Model X is gone. Tesla now has a genuine gap, missing SUV, the genuine gap between the 6-seat Model Y and the Cybertruck. A full-size enclosed SUV could potentially fill the gap while also giving Tesla a new use for the technology and engineering behind the Cybertruck. The bigger question is whether Tesla believes there are enough buyers for this vehicle. Tesla's recent strategy has been increasingly focused on reducing complexity. Launching a cyber SUV would mean another vehicle program, another body style, and another manufacturing challenge, although Cybertruck could provide that architecture. On the other hand, Tesla may not have to start completely from scratch. And if the company can share enough parts and technology with the Cybertruck, a large SUV could become a more efficient product to develop than people might think. For now, though, this remains only a speculation. The Cybercab launch on September 3 is the main event. But the sudden popularity of Cybertruck SUV renders has revealed something important. Tesla fans see an empty space in the lineup, and they already have an idea about what could fill it. What about you? What do you think? A large futuristic 3-row Tesla SUV with Cybertruck DNA? That's an idea many people clearly want to see become reality, but will there be enough buyers for that vehicle? And if Tesla ever does build one, the Model X may not be replaced by another Model X. It will be something different. It may be replaced by something completely different, something bigger, something stranger. And if Elon Musk is right, maybe something, as he said in that previous tweet that I quoted a little bit ago, way cooler than a minivan. So if you're still watching this video, what do you think can be way cooler than a minivan? Please let us know in the comment section below. So what do you, would you buy a full-size Cybertruck-based Tesla SUV, or do you think Tesla should bring back a redesigned Model X? That's another good question. And do you think Tesla could surprise us with a hint about another vehicle at the Cybertruck event on September 3? I would like to hear your answers, your thoughts, based on this growing number of increased renderings of huge Cybertruck-based Tesla SUV. Friends, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please visit us at Torque News for very interesting owner-related automotive stories and analysis about the industry. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. And if you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share with friends in social media, and I'll look forward to reading your comments in the comment section below about the questions that I already asked. See you soon in our next report.